Hello, it's Buck at SoCal Motorcycle Services. Welcome back. So we have the Honda here, the 2008 Honda VFR that we did the engine swap on, and you'll see in other videos I did prepped it, took the engine out, put in the new used motor, hooked everything up. And this is going to be the first time I'm firing it up, as per Evan's request. So, this is for you, Evan. So, we did the new oil filter, filled it with coolant, charged the battery, hooked up everything, and we're just ready to see if she fires. Fuel pumps just initialized. Fired up first try. Gotta like that. Just let it warm up a little bit. Here's letting you hear the exhaust sound. Sounds great. She's revving fine. So that's good. Nothing's leaking. Sounds real good. So there's that. Now I'm just gonna warm it up, heat cycle it a few times, make sure nothing's leaking, and then put the body work on and ride it. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see if I can put the microphone by the, and I'm only revving it to about half what it revs to, because the motor's a little cool. That was about 5,000 RPMs. Sounding real good. Talk to you next time. It's going to be just a short little video. I just wanted to make sure it started and make sure everyone got it. So, talk to you guys later. Stay tuned, and we'll see you later.